Hey, what's up, y'all? Did you miss me? I'm back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Woo! We back, y'all. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Oh, I miss y'all. I missed you guys. If you are new here, this is actually like my first video for the year. So I'm excited, y'all, because I haven't filmed in like 3 weeks. I don't know. It's close to a month. But I took a long break. I'm back. We are ready. We are doing this thing. And yes. So if you clicked on this thumbnail, you are here to see Miss Katya. I think that's how you say her name. Katya from Outre. Okay, all right. It's from the Perfect Hairline. I'm gonna show you how I put it on, and I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit because I know y'all want to talk to me. We haven't talked since last year. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this unit on. Before you get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. We back, y'all. What's up, y'all? We're just gonna start with a little unboxing. So I have the color DR Chocolate Cream. This is a really pretty color, guys. It's a yucky textured wig, nice and flowy. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. You also get that faux scalp. I'm not cutting it out this time. Normally I do, but I didn't. And you also get that adjustable band. So I don't know why putting it on, I was a little nervous, but it was cute though. It was cute. It kind of shocked me a little bit. Had me do a little dancey dance, okay? So I'm just brushing it out a little bit, and then this is what the faux scalp is looking like, guys. This is without any blending, okay? So I decided to go in with my hot comb just to kind of comb those baby hairs back and get them out the way. And then I also went in and I cut it. I like to cut it just a tab in the front, and then I like to go in with the razor on the side. This is real time. I'm showing you guys how slow you should be cutting because you don't want to rip your lace. This side is fast forwarded, but I like to use razors on the side just to kind of get it jagged. Then I'm going in and matching up that lace with my Ebony New York lace tint spray in the color dark brown. My adjustable band wasn't straight. It's just a manufacturer defect. But y'all see how cute this is? So this is why I like to use this tab, because I like to start here and just kind of secure the front with my bed head spray, and I use this blow dryer on cool, and then the sides I go in with some gel. I use my Got2b glue gel on the sides. This is not a long adhesive, guys. This is more short term, but I like it because it's not glue, and it just kind of secures the wig pretty much for like a day or 2. But I don't wear my synthetics that long anyway. It's just security, just to melt it. And I'm using my comb and I'm just pressing that lace in. And then the next side, same exact thing, okay? Then I like to use a little bit more bed head and tie it down with an elastic band. I really like an elastic band, and you wait. So I took it off and this was melted, y'all. I really like how this lace melts. It melted really nice. I will go in with some more powder just to kind of match it some more because I know it's still a little white, y'all. It's been a while since we put this lace on, okay? Don't judge me. Anyway, so I'm just going in with some more bed head just to kind of, you know, melt the lace some more, because once you cut it, it does lift. And then here is where I'm going in with that powder just to kind of get it to match to my skin, followed by a little bit of baby hairs if you choose, and that's it. All right, guys, so we are back. I am done putting on this wig, and wow, I haven't put on a wig the whole time that I have taken a break, y'all. So let me go ahead and give y'all some specs, because y'all want to see the specs. Don't worry, we're gonna catch up. We're gonna catch up. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline wig. This is a 13x6 lace frontal. You get a whole frontal effect. This comes with that faux scalp. I did not cut the faux scalp out. Okay, it's a new year. We trying to try new things in the new year. Last year, if you have been following me, I have cut out every single one of the faux scalps in this collection because I did not like them. But I felt like, let's give this a chance, okay? So I didn't cut it out, just to show y'all what it looks like. I did not pluck anything. I did go in with a little bit of baby hairs or whatever these are right here. I also did not do any powder right here because, again, I wanted to show y'all. I did a little bit of powder right here, but then I kind of wanted to show y'all this faux scalp. I have the color DR Chocolate Cream, and let's talk about her. So this wig is a nice, beautiful texture. This is a yucky textured wig. I got the color DR Chocolate Cream. I actually got this color by accident, guys, because I wanted that creamy mocha color that I did in my Sky review last year, and I picked chocolate cream, and I picked the wrong color, but it's actually a pretty color, and I was really excited about this. That last night I actually opened it up before I put her on, and I was so excited about the texture that I still ordered the creamy mocha and I ordered a 1B too. So if y'all want to see that review in those colors, let me know. You know, we could go ahead and review her. As far as the length goes, guys, she comes down right here under my boob, and in the back she is longer. So this is a synthetic wig, y'all, but the thing I like about this wig is that this is exactly what everybody is in love with when it comes to synthetic wigs. This is a yak. This is the yak attack. So we have this nice kinky textured wig. It is definitely, in my opinion, a human hair blown out dupe for a kinky straight wig. And last year we raved about kinky straight human hair wigs, and this is a dupe for it. The price of this wig is about $45. When you start adding color, I think depending on your site, it goes from like $2 to $4, so keep that in mind. So yeah, it is about $50. But if you're looking for this texture, if you're looking for this look, it's a look. I went ahead and did the side, but you can part her in the middle, you know. You can do all kinds. Look at that. Look. So I left the faux scalp in there, guys, and you see how the faux scalp actually kind of brightens it up. I didn't have to go in with any powder, and it really does brighten it up. So as much as I cut it out all last year, guys, I think the faux scalp works. I feel like on this one, the faux scalp is different from when they first started. The faux scalp on this one feels a little flatter. Comment below if you have this wig or you've been buying these faux scalp wigs and you think it's a difference from when they first started compared to now. Because I feel like it's not as harsh, that line of demarcation. Like, yeah, it does kind of look like I have a wig cap on, but then if you go in with some powder, I feel like it's blendable, y'all. I feel like it's blendable. This wig does shed. I am getting some shedding, but it's not as bad as Laurel. Laurel shed quite a bit on me. She shed a lot, but this one is shedding pretty much every time I'm running my fingers through it, but it's not really that bad. The texture feels good. Like I said, it is soft, but it is synthetic, so it is gonna tangle on you. She is getting tangly as I'm playing with her, but you know, you brush her out and you put like a little bit of wig spray. I wouldn't recommend putting too much serum on this one because you don't want it to weigh it down. But another thing with this kinky texture versus a silky textured wig is that silky really tangles really fast, and with this kinky texture one, it's a little bit easier to maneuver, and it just lasts longer. It's gonna last longer. Like when it starts to mat up, if you go in with your blow dryer just on low heat and just kind of get the ends a little bit when it starts to snag, I think she's gonna be okay. This color is gorgeous. A lot of nice dimensions in here. It's kind of like a wheat color. You got a whole bunch of different blondes. I love the way they did this dark root in here, and then they blended it into this brown. Like it's a brown kind of golden blonde wig. It's really cute. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Are you feeling her or you're not feeling her? Is it too much? I don't feel like it's too thick. I feel like it's good. Also, when comparing this wig to Shanice, because I did review Shanice is thicker. Shanice is bigger, it's thicker. This one is not as thick, and I feel like it's not as big, but you know, it's kind of the same concept as far as that straight kinky textured wig. But she's cute, y'all. She is definitely super cute. So how are you guys doing? I missed y'all. I have not filmed in so long, and this feels like so weird to like be in front of the camera again. But guess what, y'all? I've been waiting to film because I've been thinking about y'all. I took a long break, a much needed break. I did mention that I was taking a break in my last video, but I guess that video was so long that you guys probably didn't make it to the end to find out that I was taking a break. Either way, I'm back, and I also just needed to recharge, because you got to recharge your battery every once in a while. Okay, you got to recharge and be fresh. I had to just really woosah for a second. I had to spend some time with the family. As far as my car, they never found it, and I said I wanted to come back with some new stuff, you know, a new background, a new this, a new intro. But guess what? I ain't do none of that, y'all. I was just relaxing, y'all. I even made y'all a whole little welcome. Miss Khrissy was supposed to, it was supposed to be like sitting up here somewhere, you know, with a plant and all that stuff. So don't worry, we gonna upgrade throughout the year. I do plan on getting back into that routine of uploading for you guys at least 3 times a week. I can't tell you what day. I might give y'all a schedule coming up pretty soon, but wait. We just started off the new year, okay? Let's take it slow. Let's take it slow, okay? We got some new makeup coming up. I do have like some skincare coming up here and there for you guys. You know, we gonna be dibbling and dabbling in little stuff this year, but I got a lot of stuff coming up for you guys, and I also got a lot of new of these wigs for you guys, okay? If you're here for the wigs, I got a lot of this new stuff coming up, especially this week. It's gonna be new, drop. So stay tuned for that. Also, check my description box, guys. I always leave a link to my wigs. For the most part, I do sell majority of my wigs because I review a lot of wigs, and I kind of am starting to just upload as I go. So check that description box. But definitely make sure your notifications are on. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.